Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. In today's video, let us see how to prepare traditional Kerala style vegetable stew. This has such amazing flavors and also it tastes yummy that you can have it just a bowl full of curry within just no time. This is so simple and also so tasty. So let us see how to prepare. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of oil and add a small cinnamon stick and then add 1 full cup of chopped French beans, carrots and potatoes, and also I have added green peas. So chop into a bigger size like this as shown. That will be nice and it will be cooked perfectly. So add a salt to taste and then close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once our vegetables turn crunchier and nicely cooked, this is the time we need to add thin coconut milk. That is, here I have added 2.5 cups of thin coconut milk. You need to allow this coconut milk to boil with the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So once the quantity of the thin milk is reduced and you can see that it's becoming thicker, at that time we need to add 1 full cup of thick coconut milk. Now how to extract thick and thin coconut milk? It's very easy. You chop the coconut pieces and add little water and then extract the thick coconut milk. So once you're done with it, you can again add the remaining coconut and to the blender and add water and again add water and blend it nicely, and then you will get thin coconut milk. That's it. Now add pinch of cumin powder and coriander powder and allow it to cook for a while, and once you get a creamier texture, that's it. Our vegetable stew is all ready. This is 1 pot curry, right? So this will go well with idiyappam or appam and anything of your choice, but this best go with idiyappam or appam. So trust me, without having idiyappam or appam also, you can directly have this vegetable stew. This has such amazing flavors and taste. You just can't resist eating once. You'll prepare this thrice or 4 times a week. Trust me, this has such amazing flavors and taste also. You can add any vegetables of your choice like cauliflower or broccoli or baby corn, anything of your choice, and try it and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.